リーダーシップリーダーシップリーダーシップがあります。リーダーシップがある。Leadership is mean the leadership in English, but in Japanese they will say the same, the similar sound like leadership. Leadership is mean leadership, and the word leadership they write in katakana. Are you see here? Leadership, and it had the same meaning. That means when some people have the leadership, that means that people can make many people to be one group, or that people can lead many people together to create some project or to do something. So they call leadership. And in Japanese, leadership があります。This means have a leadership. リーダーシップがある人は誰ですか？リーダーシップがある人は誰ですか？ Which means who is the person who have the leadership? リーダーシップがない人は誰ですか？リーダーシップがない人は誰ですか？ Which means who is the person that don't have the leadership? So when you want to make something to be successful, we need the leadership. So in the case like this, we say リーダーシップが必要です。リーダーシップが必要です。It means we need the leadership.